Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so you avoid mid-work interruptions. Install the latest NVIDIA drivers, CUDA and Omniverse launcher. Sign in with your NVIDIA account. Once done, enable developer mode if you need advanced connectors. Next, create a project folder and import 3D assets and textures so everything is organized. Make sure your GPU has enough RAM for the planned scene. This reduces crashes and long export times. Now you're ready to open Omniverse and create a new stage. You now build the scene by importing USD or using live connectors from Blender or Maya. This keeps changes synchronized. Once assets are in, assign materials and enable RTX features, path tracing and DLSS if available, to get accurate lighting. Next, arrange lighting rigs and tweak exposure and color temperature so the visuals read clearly. Organize content into layers and set physics and collisions if you need simulations. Finally, set render resolution and denoising parameters so previews remain. You finish by running final checks. Confirm texture links, material overrides, and output paths so exports succeed. Then, set frame ranges and export the final renders or save a consolidated USD package for sharing. Verify compression and bake animations if needed. If something goes wrong, stuttering, missing textures, or failing renders, clear the scene cache, update NVIDIA drivers and Omniverse components, and monitor GPU memory. Low RAM is a common culprit. Re-import a problematic asset to isolate the issue, then retry the export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.